for methods of making serious money online. What we will tell you today is the ultimate guide to making money online. We will share with you 4 methods to make serious money online. You can explore various methods and strategies for earning an income right from the comfort of your own home. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities. It allows everyone with some basic skills and a bit of creativity to make money online. World economy has slowed down, but not the world of online money making. World Economic Outlook report of the IMF stated that growth of global economy will be 2.8% in 2023 as compared to 3.4% in 2022. And, according to the OECD, global GDP growth is projected to be 2.7%. All growth projections tell us about a difficult year in financial terms. However, global e-commerce growth rate for this year is estimated at 8.9%. Senior contributors from the Forbes magazine observed that smart people make money online. So, if you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, there's something for everyone. You can take advantage of the available opportunities. Let's dive into the 4 methods. Method 1. Freelancing. If you have skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistance, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr can connect you with clients worldwide. You can work on projects that match your expertise and set your own rates. You can find many individuals making loads of money through freelancing. You can explore the freelancing portals and see for yourself that there are a number of sectors and areas that can help you offer your services. All you need to do is stick to these 3 simple things. Create a profile. Make sure to make a catchy profile highlighting your expertise and past experiences related to your area. Screen for relevant projects. Be careful to select projects for bidding that match your expertise and carefully evaluate the required time for delivering the project. Deliver in time. You have to deliver the project as per your committed time. If you are unable to do so, you will be in trouble with a bad review and you will lose potential clients. Once you start getting more work than you can handle, consider outsourcing your work. Method 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge with others through online tutoring platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, or Tutor.com. Students from around the globe are eager to learn, and you can help them achieve their academic goals. Becoming an online teacher is easy, and there are 2 basic choices in this. 1. You sign up at an online tutoring platform, or 2. You can start your own platform, for example a YouTube channel. For each of the 2 you will have to consider and then do different things. For joining an online platform, see that your expertise has a proper match and you can commit yourself to the needs of the job. For this, carefully read the eligibility or joining requirements of the platform. Introducing yourself through a video is very important. You need to be careful in organizing your professional experience and information with a personal touch. Adopt a you approach. Tell your audience as to what your teaching will do for them. Be clear about your audience and estimate the target market size. How many students will you target and how will you reach them? Starting your own learning platform. Do a competitor analysis and identify your niche area. Mention your niche area of value to the target market while employing search optimization. Make a learning plan for all the videos you want to make with clearly mentioned learning outcomes. Take care of the production quality. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can monetize your audience through affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated, you can turn your online presence into a profitable venture. Affiliate marketing provides people with a passive income stream. You can promote products that you find useful or you believe in them or you simply find them attractive for the market. All you need to do is just post the link and feature it in your video. Then you can make money even when you go to sleep. Method 4. E-commerce. Growth of e-commerce platforms over the past few years has proven the market potential. This has also proven the potential of the online market. As we told you in the start of this video, world economy might have slowed down, but e-commerce all over the world is growing at a fast pace. Online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify make it very easy to have your own online store. The process has been made very easy, and a lot of people are making use of this opportunity. The options for products of an online store are endless. You can literally sell anything. You will be encouraged to know that retail e-commerce sales around the world are expected to increase from nearly $6 billion in 2022 to a little over $8 billion in 2026. The possibilities here are endless, so just try it out. You can choose any one or more method to make money. You can choose between full-time, part-time work, or a side hustles that just takes up a few hours every week. I plan on doing a detailed video on this topic and will share the link in the description. You can set up your own working space at home. It can be an office or can be a casual corner, which helps you perform better. The key is to find peace at work and do something that you enjoy and can continue doing for a long time. The very first thing you need is clarity over what you want to do. Once you have that, the rest becomes easier. So choose wisely and start your own online money stream. Thank you for watching Online Money Logics.